Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and I've done this a couple times, but today I'm going to show you again how I plant a pineapple. It's really simple. I hear a lot of people talking about how they put it in water and they do all kinds of things to it. It's really not that complicated. So I've got a pineapple here. When I get a pineapple, the first thing I want to do is twist off the top. It's not hard, it comes right off. Now, if you wait until your pineapple's ripe to do it, then your top is not going to be very viable. Now, what you want to do is pull off all these lower leaves, and you're going to start to see some rootlets that are exposed. You want to make sure you do this right away. Your pineapple will ripen without the top. You don't have to leave the top on the pineapple. This pineapple is going to be just as good whether it has a top or not. So all I'm doing is taking away enough of these bottom parts here, leaves here, so that I can expose these little rootlets on it. Next step, I'm going to take my Ori. You can get these at permaculturelife.com. I'm going to dig a little hole. And it doesn't really matter what kind of soil you use. Pineapples are very resilient. They don't need super amazing soil. All they need is to be buried in dirt. And that's it. We're gonna add a little water to that, and in 2 years, we're gonna have a pineapple here. And each one of those pineapple plants is gonna produce more pups. So we will perpetually get more and more pineapples from this initial planting, all right? For more tips, follow me. See you guys, bye.